Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? I think it's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Snob. Beth and Robert are coworkers. They're at a party together. They're talking about different types of wine to drink. Robert, you should try this wine from California. It's so delicious. That sounds nice, but I'll stick to Italian wine for now. Just try it. It's fruity and has an amazing taste. I'm sure you'll love it. Beth, I don't want to try it. I'm going to keep drinking my Italian wine. It's from Montepulciano and it's rated a 97. Also, very expensive. Robert, you're such a snob sometimes. Italian wine is great, but trying this Californian wine won't kill you. I appreciate your recommendation, Beth, but I'm happy with this. You should learn to have some class. Quiz time! What does snob mean? Someone who likes wine? Someone who goes to parties? Someone who buys wine? Someone who thinks they are superior? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Someone who thinks they're superior. Teaching moment. Robert didn't want to try Beth's wine because he thought his wine from Italy was superior and the wine from California was inferior. Robert is acting like a snob. You can also say Robert was acting snobby. Snob is a noun, snobby is an adjective. Examples. The snob refused to eat at any restaurant that didn't have a Michelin star. She was such a snob that she only associated with people from wealthy families. He was so snobby about music, believing that only classical music was worth listening to. The snobby art critic dismissed anything that wasn't avant-garde. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To stick to something. To continue to do something with commitment. To keep doing something. To continue doing something. It's rated something. Something was given a score or grade, a review. Wealthy. Rich. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.